How to fix Snapchat messages updating in less than 1 minute. So first thing you want to do is very simple, guys. If you have Android or iOS iPhone, it's the same thing. Just keep watching until the end. So the first thing is you have to go to the Play Store if you have Android, and if you have iPhone you can go to the App Store. So after that, search for Snapchat and update it right here if you found an update option. After you update your Snapchat, go now to the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Or what you want to do next is scroll until you find Snapchat, click on it, go to the notifications management and disable all the notifications. Easily and quickly like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.